Hi Year 4. So we're going to be going over in this video the column method for addition. Now this is something that we did earlier on in the year, so this will be a little bit of revision for you. We'll start with a nice simple one. So 2,153 plus 4,315. I write the numbers one on top of the other, and I make sure that my place value columns are aligned. So my ones digits are underneath each other, my tens digit is underneath my tens, and so on. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to label my place value columns. Now you don't need to do this when you carry this out at home. This is just so that what I'm doing is clearer for you in the video. So we've got our thousands digit, our hundreds digit, our tens digit, and our ones digit. So we want to add these two 4-digit numbers together. Now I am always going to start in the place value column with the lowest value. Now in this case, my smallest place value column is my ones digits. So I'm going to add my ones digits together. I know that 3 add 5 is 8. So I'm going to write that total underneath 8. I know that 5 tens plus 1 10 is 6 tens. So I'm going to put my 6 tens underneath the tens column. I know that 100 plus 3 hundreds will give me a total of 4 hundreds. So I'm going to write my 4 hundreds in the hundreds column. And 2 thousands plus 4 thousands will give me 6 thousands all together. So I write that number in the thousands column, and that gives me a total of 6,468. Now we've had a look at it without exchange, we're going to look at a slightly trickier example where you do have to exchange. So I'll rub out what I've done so far and I will write my two new numbers. 3,182 plus 2,357. Once again, I've lined up my place value columns so that the ones are aligned, the tens are aligned, the hundreds are aligned, and the thousands are aligned as well. So, just like we did last time, I'm going to start in the ones again because that is the column I've got with the lowest value. So 2 plus 7. Well, 2 plus 7 is 9. So I'm going to write the total 9 underneath them. 8 plus 5 is 13, but I can't write 13 in my tens column because the most value I can have in my tens column is 9. So when I get a number like this with some tens and some ones as my total, I need to exchange. So I'm going to take that 10 tens that I've got here, I'll take those 10 tens from the 13 and I'm going to exchange them for 100. My 10 tens there became 100 there. They've got the same value. Then when I move on to my hundreds column, I do 100 plus 300s, which is 400s, and then I need to add on that 100 that I exchanged. So 400 plus 100 gives me 500s. Then in my thousands column, 3,000s plus 2,000s gives me 5,000, which means my total is 5,539. Let's just do one more quick example. So, let's do 3,762 plus 1,455. So once again, I'm going to start with my ones column. 2 plus 5 is 7. 6 tens plus 5 tens will give me 11 tens. Now I can't have 11 tens in my tens column, so I'll put one of the tens there from my 11 tens, and then 10 of the tens I'm going to exchange for 100. So I'm going to put them there. 700s plus 400s is 1100s, plus that 100 down there is 1200s. Now I can't put 1200s there So I'm going to have to exchange. So 2 of those hundreds will go in my hundreds column, and 10 of them I exchange for 1,000. 3,000 plus 1,000 is 4,000, plus that 1,000 down there will give me 5,000. So the answer is 5,217. I hope that has helped you remember our method for column addition, and good luck when you try it at home.